Alright, what is going on, everybody? Good morning. Northside Nomad here, Northside Dad, with another TR7 video. Today it's going to be a little bit different than what we've done in the past. We've got a little adventure to go on today. What are we doing?
Well, first we're getting money.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get coffee.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go to a little place near where I grew up called British Leland. It's a place that works on, they worked on Triumphs for like 40 years. They went out of business and they are selling off all of their inventory.
So you already saw some pictures of what's there and everything, kind of an idea.
Yeah, there's just like a barn full of parts from, I saw carburetors and manifolds and exhausts and seats and fenders, and and they're basically saying, hey, come fill up your truck, and they're charging people by the truckload just to take stuff away. So yeah, hopefully there's some TR7 parts there, and if not, maybe there's some other parts we can grab and help fund our TR7 obsession.
Right.
Getting a little dirty, probably some.
Yeah, we've got gloves.
Probably gonna be some spiders and snakes and
tetanus.
Right. Shop inspectors are staying home, so there's no judgment.
Yeah, we can't have. Decided not to bring them along. They probably would have not picked out anything. But
you probably would have found a human bone buried somewhere. Who knows? So yeah, money and coffee first.
Yeah,
first
money
thing.
and coffee first thing, and yes, we're gonna do that, and then we'll get back to you.
How can I help you?
Yeah, can I get a medium regular? Hi. Pretty good. What's the process? You just sign in?
Yeah, so basically sign in and then
It's $100 fill your truck.
Gotcha.
take as much as you can.
Please.
Okay.
I mean, there's everything from TDs all the way up.
Gotcha. Okay.
So, yeah.
Are you family?
No. We were friends of Eric, did business with him. There was a TR7 he sold for $100.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. So you can walk through
Gotcha.
and see there's bumpers, there's all kinds of stuff, so.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Great.
Yeah, thank you.
Do a lap, do another one, you'll see something different.
Yeah.
That's,
Oh yeah, look at that. That's. Yeah, the thing
does
is.
that look the same?
Yeah, it's the same.
We don't need one, but.
Yeah. What is that? The flywheel? Is that a flywheel?
Yes.
Look at that. Oh, that's cool. That's neat. I guess we should have brought like buckets or something.
I know. We'll have to find a place to
Oh, look at that.
make a pile. Yeah.
Those look a little rough.
I mean, these are whole engines over here. Doors.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff. There's a whole engine right there.
There's a coil.
Couple engines.
Yeah.
There's another one there. Wow. What are these? What are these for?
What?
There's like 1,000 of these things in this bucket.
I have no idea.
Ours.
You guys think it's worth $100 to just do this?
I don't know yet.
Maybe. I don't know. We just got here, so.
Yeah, me too. So I was-
Remains to be seen here.
Mine's a 73.
I don't like. I don't just want a manual choke.
Would you
Well, figure it's very similar to pretty much what we got right now. So have a spare. Where's our pipe? I think this looks similar.
Oh yeah, that looks like.
Can we get down on the other side here?
Yeah, the rest of this is just gravel buckets.
Yeah.
How much per hour? I just get a roll off can machine. That way you're not responsible for the risk of how much.
Well, guys, I think that's the end of the adventure of stuff. We got a decent amount of stuff. Nothing really of incredibly use. Maybe. I mean, we'll see. See if anything has a use. This is the last thing I'm grabbing. I think this was on the car. So.
I won't scratch it.
And literally, you were like on a, let's get some steering wheels.
Just looking at options.
So this is on that side.
It's on what side? Oh, that's the right.
Yeah.
The right side.
It's almost perfect. Except it's gonna crack that. I think we could repair if we needed to.
Yeah.
It seems to be clean and taken apart and everything. So I mean, we have options now.
Steering wheels.
A whole intake manifold and carburetor setup.
I just grabbed a bunch of
I keep those in the garage just because you never know.
just grabbed a bunch of
Dig through that and find some stuff.
the guy said, one of the guys was like, because I was like picking them out, he's like, just grab a whole box and just fill the whole box with stuff.
Yeah, this is the same thing.
No, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so you get a whole extra dash. That might be kind of cool to just like hang up somewhere. Roll bar, be nice if it fit. I want to hang that up.
Yeah, mainly the main thing that we got from this whole thing was like little collectible things.
Was what?
It was mainly like collectible things. A lot of stuff that we don't really need.
Right.
Then we got some speedometers for, I believe, a TR6.
That's way too small.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Unless it like, no.
I mean, it needs to be up like
Yeah, it needs to be like here.
that high.
Although you could still maybe make this work.
But you could make the other one work probably just even better.
Yeah.
This needs to go in the back of your truck and in the scrap heap.
If that
And
makes
look at this moves. This one doesn't move. This one doesn't move.
Well, you can see the bottom of this one, so you could probably see the bottom of that one too.
Right, that's what, like, I don't know why it's so difficult. It's all centered up. I said it's off center though, I think.
I don't see it turning. Oh, no, I'm seeing the metal shavings turning.
Well,
Nice. Now, okay. Wow.
perfect.
Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
Well, Warrior, don't buy that.
Right.
All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for this TR7 video for this week. I know this one's a little bit later than I normally do it. I usually do a car video on Friday, but I procrastinated. So either way, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what I'm doing, like what we're doing, and yeah, I will see you on the next one. Deuces, everybody.